My child, being lucid as a man in any situation requires a combination of self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and mental clarity. Here are 5 key points to help you achieve lucidity. Number 1, practice mindfulness. Cultivate the habit of being present in the moment. Train your mind to observe and acknowledge your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings without judgment. Mindfulness enhances your ability to stay calm, focused, and aware of your reactions in any situation. Number 2, develop emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is crucial for maintaining lucidity. Work on understanding and managing your emotions effectively. Recognize how emotions can influence your decision making and learn to respond rather than react impulsively. By cultivating emotional intelligence, you can navigate situations with clarity and make informed choices. Number 3, foster mental resilience. Develop mental resilience to remain lucid during challenging times. Build a strong mindset by embracing setbacks as opportunities for growth. Cultivate self-discipline, perseverance, and a positive attitude. These qualities will help you stay composed and focused even in high-pressure situations. Number 4, prioritize self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is essential for maintaining lucidity. Ensure you get enough sleep, exercise regularly, and maintain a balanced lifestyle. Manage stress effectively by incorporating relaxation techniques such as meditation or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy. Number 5, continuously learn and adapt. Stay curious and committed to personal growth. Embrace a mindset of lifelong learning and seek to expand your knowledge and skills. Adaptability is key to maintaining lucidity as it allows you to adjust your perspectives and strategies based on evolving circumstances. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you enhance your ability to stay lucid as a man in any situation. Remember, lucidity comes from a combination of self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and a willingness to adapt, empowering you to navigate life's challenges with clarity and confidence. Wake up!